All right, guys, so we are doing a little Christmassy date night, and I actually wanted to show you guys like how we do our little at-home date nights to inspire some of you guys to start doing your own. In Alaska, we get snowed in quite a bit, and today is one of those days. It literally looked like we were inside of a snow globe when we were outside driving around. I'll like show you guys the clips. It looked insane. Okay, so
the snow is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
At-home date night, we're gonna watch The Grinch. We're gonna do some painting together, have some holiday snacks, and I just thought I would like take you guys through the routine. So first things first is cute Christmas jammies. These are from Target, and second thing is cleaning up. So, you know, that's not the most romantic part, but girl, it's looking a little crazy back there. So we're gonna, my friends have been jumping all over the couch, especially this one. Especially this one. So we are gonna tidy up the pillows, and then I'm gonna show you guys like all the cool paint kits and different games I got for our Christmassy date nights, and we'll pick one and get started.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
All right, guys, looking a lot better back there. We do kind of have our blankets in the corner, but that's okay. The next step is to plug in our tree. We didn't do anything too crazy for the tree this year because we're gonna be buying a new one next year, hopefully like a 10-foot tree. If you guys could see my husband's eyes right now. Yeah, I want a 10-foot Christmas tree, Bubba. Silence is agreement, yeah?
Yes.
10-foot tree!
Next 3 years?
No, next year. Next year.
Plus 2 years more.
No. All right, guys. Here's the tree. And trust me, I know you guys are probably thinking like, why is your tree over here? It's because where we would normally put a tree, we have a projector, so the tree just ends up in the screen, and you know what? I want to enjoy my shows. Plus, it looks cute. We got like our little Christmas signs here, and then the tree, like I kind of love it. So the tree's over here for now. Okay, this house isn't built for you to have a big grand tree. That's just not the style of it. It is what it is. All right, guys, so I'm about to show you all the different paint sets we have. I got a bunch of these on Amazon, and we also have some other games I wanted to show you that you can play for like cute little date nights. So the first one is gonna be Giant Uno, just because I think this is hilarious, and you could totally play this as a couple, or, I mean, you could be doing this for a sleepover with your girlfriends, you could be doing it for a sleepover with all your besties, or just like a house party with your friends, however you wanna do it, but we're doing it as like our little Christmas date night. So yeah, Giant Uno is super fun. It's actually such a heavy box because they are big old pieces of paper for this game. So we've got Giant Uno, and then we've got Death at the Dive Bar, which is always a fun one. We actually really want to throw a dinner party and do this with a bunch of friends, but you could also just play this for a date night. It would be really entertaining and keep everybody off like their phones and technology and stuff. Because that's what we try to do on our date nights, like stay off our phones and just spend time together. Okay, now we're gonna get into the paint kit. So this one is so cool. You actually get 4 different canvases, and it's gonna be linked below, so don't worry. But let me just show you guys, because I thought this was amazing, especially for couples. You could make your own art for your house. That was my idea for us. So you get canvases like this, and it's literally a paint by numbers, and then you get like a frame for it. And then you get the paint, the brushes, and the actual picture of what it should look like. So it literally tells you, and you get 4 of them. So they vary in hardness, which I think is amazing. And then we've got these too. So I thought that was really cool. This is like a perfect date night in one. And if you think about it as a couple, this is like, you know, 2 date nights, and you have a frame. Basically, it comes with a frame. So yeah, or an easel, I think. I think it comes with 1 easel. Right? Whatever, I'll link it down below, but I think it comes with an easel or a frame, but regardless, it doesn't matter because we bought a different paint kit that already had easels for us. So this one is a 4-pack, and then we got these really cool little packs where it's just like 2 paintings, and it's kind of the exact same thing. You get your painting, and then it gives you all the paint by numbers. So it's just like a full paint by numbers for you. And then we got this 52-piece paint set, which I thought was amazing. So it gave us these little easel things. We get 2 of them, whatever, the paint trays. It gave us 2 easels, so we both have an easel of our own. And then you get 2 brush sets so you can paint together, and 2 sets of your own paint, so 2 sets of acrylic paint. And you also get 2 circular canvases and 2 papery shaped canvases, I guess, like I think it's like the size of a sheet of paper-ish canvases. And I thought that was such a good deal, but what we're gonna paint tonight is probably my favorite of all of them. It was a 6-piece set. Now I'm not gonna lie, it didn't come as fancy. They kind of just came like rolled up like this with the paint inside of them, but the pictures are so cute. And I know you guys have seen my new backdrop at this point from when we sit down and have like girly talk videos. So tonight we're actually gonna be painting 2 of these, and I thought it would be so freaking cute. So we're gonna be doing these 2, which are like cocktails, because I kind of want like a cocktail-y theme up there. And let me show you the real picture. So one of them is gonna end up looking like this, which is so stinking cute. And the other is gonna look like this. And for the other ones in the set, well, now I don't know if I'm still gonna paint that one. Well, no, I probably am though. But you also get this one in the set with the paint and brushes. This is my absolute favorite one. This is for sure going in the backdrop once it's all set up. So stinking cute, like espresso martinis, that's so hot. Then you get this one. And this one, which I think is so cute, like little martinis. So yeah, you get that whole kit, 6 different paintings with paints and brushes. So you get all 6 of those in one kit, and I think the kit was only like 25, 30 bucks, if that. So just think about that. Like if you live by yourself and you really like to paint, that's a great way to start. You could have like a new hobby in the new year. Or if you want to do a girls' night, which is what originally I wanted to do with these, but didn't end up working out. One of my friends moved, one of my friends is gone. Like it just did not end up working out for us to do a girls' night with it. So I'm just gonna use them because I really liked them. I thought they were really cute. And you know, in the new year, I do want to get into painting. So I thought this was a perfect introductory one. So we are gonna be doing some painting tonight. I'm gonna set up our cute little snack tray so we can watch The Grinch and just like hang out, maybe make us some cute little cocktails and all of those things. So let's go make our snack tray.